Welcome viewers. In this video we are going to do modeling of transmission line tower in robot structure analysis. This is stage 3, that is the final stage. In this video we are going to look group membering, renumbering of members, member properties, size, member beta angle position, assigning truss member properties. Before going to watch this video, we request you to watch our stage 1 and stage 2 video, which used to explain how to create the main leg member, bracings, and how to develop the node the position in Excel calculation. So also the schematic drawing for this right hand side picture, which is showing 220 kV double circuit transmission line tower. So for stage 1 and stage 2 videos and also the design philosophy videos, all these 3 videos links are provided in the description. You can watch those before going to watch this video. Now let's look into that robot structural model of transmission line tower which we had prepared in stage 1 and 2, and followed by we will do this 5 steps like member grouping, renumbering members, and member properties, member beta angle, and assigning truss member properties. With that, the entire transmission line tower model is completed. So then the modeling of this transmission line tower is ready for applying the load and the load combination and analysis and design. This is a model so far we got prepared from stage 1 and 2 video. The video link are provided in the description. You can watch those before going to watch this video. So now in this video we are going to do first step as creating the member grouping. So member grouping we are going to do based upon the splice connection which we had done and which is showing in that picture. So up to 2 meter, that is first bracing, we can consider one group. We need to select leg members. So these are the 4 members we need to create as a group number 1. The group number we can call it as body leg 1, that is BLEG1. So to create a group number, after selecting this, you click this member selection icon which is showing just below the main menu. In that, click group, click this down arrow, it will show the group definition and color. This group definition we can give it as B leg 1. And we can find this group name which we had defined here in the list just below the main bar. B leg, if you select, means it will show in blue color. So likewise we need to create a group member for all the other members, like in the picture which is showing the second level of body leg member is at 5 meter, and the next one is 4.4 and 4.724. Likewise we need to create for all the member. So likewise all the tower main leg bracings are done. Main leg group have been done. So you can see the blue color line once after selecting the drop down list of group names. So C leg means it is a gauge leg 1, gauge leg 2, and gauge leg 3. So similar like body leg 4 means the view you can select here. And the next one we are going to select, we are going to do a grouping of bottom card member of cross arm. So for that we can select the cross arm members. By pressing Control, you can select a number of members and click this icon, edit in a new window. So here Control and select this will do as deselecting the option. Now we can deselect this other bracing members which are not required. So here we are going to group only the bottom card members of all the cross arm. So these are the cross arm, and create a group. So we can name it as X cross bottom card XBC. Similar like we need to do it for top card also. So finally we had created the group name for all the members. So there are so many group members are listed here, group names are listed here. So it is a peak, leg 1 and 2. Similar like a gauge, cross arm bracings. So after all creating this group name, next one is we need to do renumbering. Renumbering generally we can do it based upon the group name. So for that we can select the first group name from the leg member, go to geometry, click numbering. Here in this we need to select the number, start from 1, members, panels or objects, and click apply. So the group number is renumbering is done according to the group name 1, and the next one is B leg 2. So likewise we need to select one by one. So we know that group number 1, that is main leg, is having 4 numbers. So this group number 2 is having 8 numbers. You can notice that thing from this in object inspector. Go to geometry, renumbering. In that object number should be start from 5 because we are already having 4 numbers of main leg members in group number 1. So we know that 8 plus 4 is 12. So next group number BLEG 3, which is having again 8 numbers, should start from numbering 13, object number 13. Apply this. Again 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 4 is 20. So then the fourth group number should start from 21. So likewise we need to do it group renumbering for all the members. So after renumbering and member grouping, we can do member properties or sizing. So this is also we can do based upon the group selection of group member, and we can assign here, or we can change the section to our required sizes. So here you can select the steel, then it will display the steel members, and we can select angle members, and Indian standard SCE is a equal angle sizes. You can assign 200 by 200 by 12, add, and this can be apply. So now if we select this group number, it will show here that object description is section properties is SCA equal angle 200 by 12. So likewise we need to do it for all other members also by selecting this group name and click this, select the desired size, for example 150 by 15, add it, close. You can see here it is selected and apply. So likewise we need to do it for all other members. Once after completing this member properties, we can go for beta angle position. So beta angle position is nothing but this, while making this model, our angle member will assigned and view in by default the program direction. So for example, if you see here, this angle member is in this direction, but generally in practically it won't come like this. It should rotate to some extents. So for that there is one option in this object inspector. In this table you can see gamma rotation. Here you can see you can give 45 degree. So that let me check this visible. You can give 90 degree. Even the rotation is not exact. 135 degree, 180 degree. So this is little bit matching. Yes, this is exactly matching. So we need to do like increment of 45 degree. So this is a tedious job which we need to do it, but this is not mostly not required, because our transmission line tower used to have the axial force distribution only. There won't be any eccentric movement or something. So it is not required to do the beta angle for all the members. Even it is not required for main leg members also. Unless or otherwise, if it is specifically requested or asked by the customer, this doesn't impact on calculation, because even this will, without doing this beta angle, it will give more effective solution only. But this beta angle is mainly important for building which are subject to heavy bending moment, like steel building or warehouse. So by visual effect, by visually we can able to change this gamma value, so that you can see these leg members are shooting exactly as per the practical view by entering 225 degree. So if we want, we can do it for all the member, but it is totally a time consuming task. So next topic which we need to do is assigning truss member properties. This is very important because this all the members which we had created in 3D frame, this main leg will act like 3D frame, but however this bracing member used to have truss member properties, whereas this all the forces to be distributed to main leg through axial forces only. So for that we need to assign this truss member properties to all the members. For that we need to select all the bracing members. For selecting the bracing member, we need to click this icon member selection. In that, go to group. So we know that this B leg 2, 1, 3, 4 are leg members, and CABB also is a leg members. Cross arm. So CABB means it is a bracing only. So we can select this hip bracing, except the leg member we need to select all the bracing member. So you can press Ctrl Shift and select so that the last row can be selected. So likewise we need to select all the bracing member. So except the leg member we need to select all those things. So here B leg means it is a body leg member, and C leg means it is a uh, gauge leg member, and a P leg member means it is a peak leg member, and we missed that cross arm main member, that is a bottom card and top card. So those also should be considered as a leg member instead of a bracing member. So the group name which we had given for top card and the bottom card for class member we need to check. So what can we do is we can select from here. So if you see here in the drop down list, if we select this XBC, that is cross arm bottom bracing, you can see in the window the bottom bracing, the bottom card member are selected. So likewise if we select this XTC means it is top card member of X bracing is selected. So that also we need to exclude from this selection of XBC and XTC to be excluded. Now we need to click this up arrow so that you can see here in the window those bracing member are selected here. So after selecting all those bracing member, go to this structure definition icon, which is sixth icon from the bottom of right side list of icons. In that we need to click this truss members or compression icon. So here you can see this, there are various lists are shown here. In this we need to untick this tension or compression member, and we need to select this truss members only axial force acting, and finally we need to click here apply. So you can see all the member are listed here. Click apply. So the truss member are assigned here for all the bracing member. So this is how we need to assign the truss member to the bracing member. Now our transmission line tower is perfect for applying the loads and the load combinations and further do the analysis and the design. So with this video is going to end. We will meet in another technical videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Look at description for more related video. Subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thank you.